Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A while back, I made a video on these squares like this, but I'm doing a little bit different with a space and a bevel. Really pretty easy. We're going to take this out of the way, and we're going to start in the center of the page. I'm going to holding down the control button to draw a perfect square. Then I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. I want that node right there in the center of the page, so I can either just ballpark it and see if I can get it. If not, I'll bring in indexing lines, and I'll bring in an indexing line and hit P, grab that line and hit P. So I was a little bit off. So a lot of times it's a little easier to find it like that. Now what we want to do is we want to take this thing and Control D and rotate it from the center of the page. So I'm going to alternate C, but I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and I get that shape. But then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to Control D and make it do. It's the only thing I don't like about Control D. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to just stretch it out. It doesn't matter now that it's not on the center of the page. That's what's going to give us a space. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to nudge that out of the way. And because I nudged it, it'll go right back to the center of the page. Now I'm going to go in and make that, let's make it blue. Control D, alternate C, and we're going to rotate it 45 degrees, Control D, Control. I find it easier to change the colors after you have this. So we're going to go and make that one red. You know, this way you don't have to go back and, I mean, still have to go back and forth, but to me, it's a little easier. And let's try to pick an orange, and then that light purple, and a green. Now we're going to go to Effects and Blend, or not Blend, Bevel, Effects and Bevel. And it's going to change the color. I need to work on that. But if we pick an item and we're going to go, let's go like 0.4 or something, and we're going to hit bevel. That may be too much of a bevel. But then once you have it set, see how it's changing the color and making it kind of darker? I wish somebody would chime in and tell me what I'm doing wrong. It might be something with CMYK. But that way you have a space. Let's take away the indexing lines or guidelines. Let's take a black box, make it black. It'll really make it show up. And also you'll see that the space is transparent because the black box shows through. And you got a bevel and kind of like a shadow looking effect. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.